Akpa bamieva Everlove TV emi gabado mi agogba bami agako nu jojo yo ke jojom le Keta municipality amakovinami ni o jojo ma pe kwenye ba Keta Police Service ba ple enu jirala omovado o wenye ni ke enye trending story ke le Keta municipality ama we wanted to bring it to you. The issue is about Keta Police Service and two girls that have been selling in front of Keta Police Service that has bring an issue that is trending now in Keta municipality. It is all about this lady who says she sells Indomie in front of Keta Police Service and something happened. And the issue pop up that the commander and one police officer are trying the possible way to harass these ladies. These ladies never agree to that, and things come out of it to the extent that they have to arrest one of them to the police station. And then the junior sister went there to complain that why would they arrest her sister? This has bring an issue. Anya kwenye ba yonto minya buchakopa police station ngo ba fuma nyon vie omo nyon omo varo no ngira ma fuma ike piekwa na never joro do mo police station ike commander play divisional commander onya me yoko gbogbomba divisional commander be ira shile otepan nyon ya bana yo Indomie lafuma district commander ba awe e mo pomo ne kwa no fuma wonu yo ike va do bibli bu keke egba court va decide be ejebe ladies yo wako container lafuma akọ ide afika ojebo wa nto wa pe adaru kaka jo chichile container mo wa yi ike bo america be odoku shida gba ame kaka ma water over ide court. Trending now is about this story. So container yata kun enwa ajojomro a mijibe mi akpo container da kuyepo abale na po ya onto kpo container ora container yata amola fuma won ojira ma fuma vovovovo. Keta Police Service never complain about those who are selling there, but except this person that places the container there, this very lady. When it's 6, 7 o'clock, you see so many other things being lined up there. They'll be selling there. So we are the public is trying to say that maybe there is something happening which the public don't know. That is why the whole thing has been depend on these ladies that they should pick up the container out from there. This is the container, check it out. This is the same lady that have been detained in the police cell from 2, and this lady got fainted, collapsed, and was rushed to hospital. Yet, Keta Police Service never show up at the hospital. Keta Police Service never took this lady to the hospital. The family came back to send this very lady to the hospital. There are so many questions about this whole thing. He went to the police commander. He explained so many other things that he commanded one of his boys that they should send this kid to the hospital. Yes, they never did that. So the police commander says they are sending this very guy to the discipline committee for them to see why the commander will say do this and he will not do that. Now, these girls have been bailed. They've sent this case to the courts, and these girls have been bailed. On Thursday, coming Thursday, there will be an issue, the same issue on the story. They bailed them today. Let's see what's happened next. So, Everlove TV, we try the possible best just to gather this. You see, some of them are there. They don't know exactly where the container is. What's happened at the hospital. So we bring these videos and then the pictures so that you can see them and know what exactly is happening. Keta Municipal Police Service. So this is the video. Check it out. Let's go and come.
Sinu, mia soni e